Okay guys, I'm here again with the Kia Rio 1.4 TEC Auto again, and I have my friend Andre Lötter helping me to check it out today. Hi Andre.
Hi there, how are you?
What do you think of the Kia, just looking at it for now?
The color is pretty, that's the first thing I noticed. And then the design of the car, I mean, when you look at a car, you want to feel sexy in it, you want to like it aesthetically. And visually it's pleasing. It's got a very sporty feature, all the bumper, color coding bumpers, and it's low, but it's not too low for South African roads.
Yeah, it is a pretty car, I think there's no denying that.
Alright, so we're in the car and it is a comfortable sit.
Yeah, they're really nice leather seats.
The leather is obviously beautiful, it just adds to the look. And then the whole design is simplistic but still elegant and sporty. There's not too many dials and buttons, which is good because sometimes you don't know what it's for. And every single dial in this car for me just tells you exactly what it is. There's not too much to fiddle with. And obviously you've got the steering with all the dials and digits on here, which is comfortable, so you can keep your eyes on the road and still control the entire car, which is fantastic.
Why don't you plug in your phone to the Apple CarPlay and we'll see what you're listening to. Okay, well let's get you in the back here and see how the legroom is.
And just sliding in. Oh, there's a lot of room. It's comfortable. If you sit at the back, you can still charge your phone.
Yes, okay, come and check the boot for me.
With the Kia, you've got enormous boot space. Look at that.
Yeah, this boot is actually 325 liters.
Well, there you go. I mean, I pack a lot of stuff when I travel. To go to shoots, I pack obviously my suitcase and then my scripts, and then I always travel with my CrossFit gear, and it's a lot.
So I think you can also fit in the boot then with all your things.
Yeah, I think I can fit in here, definitely.
Yeah, but I think we should actually try it. So why don't you get in the boot? Nice. Yeah, well, I think just to like make sure, I just need to close it. Look at that, guys. Have you ever seen an actor in a Kia Rio boot? You haven't.
You see,
sorry about that, but thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for doing this, Andre. I just feel like I needed a professional / famous opinion, because then people would just find it more legit, you know?
Oh well.
But thank you so much. I appreciate it.